In this video, I'm going to talk to you about how my latest commission piece was a walk in the park. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sean and it's an absolute pleasure to have you here with me today. As mentioned, I wanted to talk to you about a few encounters I had and some struggles along the way with my latest commission piece. So before starting a commission, it could be useful having a selection of colours to work from. This photo was taken from my client's lounge, and in conjunction with that, she wanted the painting to be quite soft and sweet and subtle. So I started by mixing up a batch of colours, and the idea was only to use sponges for the entire painting. I thought I could do this painting with one fellow sweep. Oh, how wrong I was. Now, I had a lot of fun in the first part of the painting, where I was experimenting and creating soft transitions, and of course my flow improver mixed with water worked really well. After several layers of using this technique, I ran into a few problems. I started to chew on the painting. Not literally. I was spinning my wheels. I felt like I was going round and round in circles. I couldn't get the effects that I was going for. The whole painting started to feel overworked. I started to feel a bit flustered, and working with sponges is quite unpredictable. And yeah, well, I found myself staring at the canvas quite a few times thinking, it's not working out. It's not working out. It's a commission painting, has to be finished. I took a step back, or many steps back, between waiting for the painting to dry, and usually at this point it's probably a wise idea to sleep on it and look at the painting again the next day with a fresh set of eyes. But I don't usually do that. Maybe I should have, but for me, I'm always caught in the moment, and it's hard for me to just let things settle. I want to finish the painting. I'm generally quite impatient when it comes to painting. I enjoy the process so much, and I can be quite impulsive too. So I had to change my strategy. Now, I didn't want to go too far with the palette knife because I didn't want too much intricate detail, as my client had said previously that she wanted something subtle with these specific colours. But as I started using the palette knife, I immediately felt comfortable, in control and fulfilled, and more importantly, I was enjoying the painting, which is what it's all about. And maybe it's not all about jumping out of your comfort zone to learn new things. Maybe it is a little bit, but knowing that I could just leap back into my comfort zone gave me control again. And this goes back to my last video, which I made about using many different tools to create an abstract painting. I'll put the link to that video somewhere here or here. And after a few adjustments here and there, I finally have a painting that I'm really happy with, really proud of. Now, at the end of the day, we're all gonna have paintings that we're not entirely happy with. We might start a painting and you think it's gonna go somewhere and it doesn't go accordingly, and you know, we get stressed and worried. I do it especially. But remember that everything's fixable, and that we can either let it be for a day, or you can work and persevere like I do, and it's not a problem. It's not a problem at all. And of course, it's always great to experiment and try new things. Maybe I shouldn't have tried these new things on a commission painting, but I knew that I could fix it and I can work through and create something that I'm really proud of. My client is very happy, I'm very happy, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you're hard on yourself, then that's a good thing. But if you're too hard on yourself, that isn't necessarily a good thing. So be happy, be creative. If you like the video, please subscribe and punch that little bell and like the video and comment, whatever you like. It all goes a long way, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care for now, everyone. Bye-bye.